Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you this stitch. I'm sure many of you're familiar with this stitch. I think this is one of the projects that you can get rid of yarn, different colors that you have. Well, if you choose to make a blanket with this stitch in many colors, well, make sure that the yarn is the same size, otherwise you're gonna have like the ocean waves on the edge of the scarf, not scarf but blanket. Yeah, this is a very easy stitch. It's worked only with single crochet, that's it. And for you guys, the beginners, this will be really easy. So this is the front and this is the back. It looks like this. So these are the edges. Yeah, I think if you want to get rid of yarn, you can do this stitch. It goes really fast. Yeah, well, depends now the blanket. If you wanna do, you know, with a thick yarn, then it's gonna be a little bit, it's gonna take some yarn. Well, with this stitch we're gonna chain even numbers. So I chain even numbers. We're gonna skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook we're gonna go in there and do a single crochet. So we're gonna do single crochet in each chain until we finish the row. Let me adjust this a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna do single crochet in each chain. So this stitch you can do with 3 rows, 4 rows of single crochet. So for this sample I'm gonna show you just 3 rows of single crochet, but if you want those spikes to be more deeper and long, then chain make 4 rows of single crochet. So you're gonna chain 1, turn your work, and in the first stitch here we're gonna do a single crochet, and we're gonna do single crochet in each stitch until we finish this row. So single crochet in each stitch. Well, I'm trying to hurry up. For those of you that I move too fast, you have an option to slow down the speed of the video. You know, on the screen, on the, I think, right side bottom, it's like a wheel, and you click on that and you click on speed, I think, and you can set the speed lower so you can see what I'm doing. But single crochet, well, everyone should be, you know, aware of that. So chain 1, turn your work, and again we're gonna do 1 more row of single crochet. So in the first stitch here we're gonna do single crochet, and in each stitch until we finish this row we're gonna do single crochet. Well, I'm trying to hurry up because I wanted to show you at least 2 times how to do that spike. And to do 3 rows of single crochet, well, it takes some time. And to be honest, I don't feel like editing. So last stitch we do single crochet. And now when you have like these 2 loops on your hook, now is the time to attach the new color. Yeah, if you like. Don't finish the single crochet. Yeah, when you want to change the color, have 2 loops on your hook, then you attach the new color if you like. But now I'm gonna do just with 1 color the tutorial. So I'm gonna finish that one. Okay, now chain 1. You're always gonna chain 1 at the end. So now in the first stitch here we're gonna do a single crochet. Do a single crochet, and now we're gonna go 1 row below. So the next stitch is here, we're gonna go into the space here between the single crochets, right here below the first one. Yeah, so you're gonna go in there, pull up a loop, and then you're gonna do a single crochet. Make sure when you pull this loop it's loose enough, and you do a single crochet. Now the next stitch is here. You're gonna go on the first row here between the single crochets. Yeah, the stitch is here, and you go down, you track down the last space here on the bottom. So you're gonna go into that space, pull up a loop, and again make sure that this loop is tall enough, and then do a single crochet. If you don't make it loose, this single crochet, when you pull the yarn, the work is gonna be like an accordion, so be careful with that. So the next stitch is here. We're gonna go and do a single crochet. We're gonna repeat. Now the next stitch is here. We're gonna go below. The stitch is there, and we go below. You go in there, make sure that it's loose enough, then do a single crochet. The next stitch is here. We're gonna go right on the bottom, the first row. So you go in there, pick up a loop, make sure that it's loose enough, and then do a single crochet. The next stitch is here, single crochet. The next stitch is here. We're gonna go below one row. So you go in there, pick up a loop, and then do a single crochet. The next stitch, we're gonna go on the bottom right here in this space. So you go in there, pull up a loop. Well, it's loose enough, do a single crochet. Then the next stitch, we're gonna do a single crochet. The next stitch is here. We're gonna go into the row below, one row below. Yeah, so you go in there, pull up a loop, do a single crochet, chain one, turn your work, and now you're gonna do 3 rows of single crochet. So the first stitch is here. We're gonna do a single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and in each stitch you're gonna do single crochet. Next stitch. So yeah, I think this one, it's the easiest, well, one of the easiest project or stitch to do a blanket. When you have so much yarn and they're different colors, you can do this and will look nice. The last stitch, we're gonna do a single crochet, chain one, turn your work, and now you have to do 2 more rows of single crochet. So the first stitch is here. We're gonna go in there, and we're gonna do a single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and so on. Single crochet in each stitch across the row. Next stitch. So we have to do 1 more row of single crochet. Chain one, looks like this. So again, the first stitch is here. We're gonna do a single crochet in the first stitch, then move to the next stitch, single crochet, and single crochet in each stitch. Yeah, you can do with 4 rows, like I said, not only 3. And then the long spike is gonna be longer and deeper, and I think it's much nicer, the effect. Last stitch, single crochet, chain one, turn your work, and now the first stitch is here. We're gonna do a single crochet. The next stitch is here. We're gonna go below here into the space right there, in that space. Pull up a loop and do a single crochet. The next stitch, we're gonna go below 2 rows into the third one, let's say. So you go in there, pick up a loop, and do a single crochet. The next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, you go below into the space right here. Make sure that it's loose enough. The next stitch, it's there, so we're gonna go below right here, right there. So you pull up, make sure that it doesn't strangle the two rows. So the next, it's single crochet in the next stitch. Next stitch, you go below to the second row between the single crochets. The next stitch, and we go down beneath two rows. The next, it's single crochet, and the next stitch, the last one, we're gonna go down right here into the space right there. And you're gonna do a single crochet. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold the work a little bit like this, the edge here. So when you go here, hold it like that, otherwise it's gonna, and that way the corner is not gonna be tucked inside here. Yeah, so you chain one, and now you start to do the single crochets, 3 rows of single crochet. It looks like this. Well, you can do it with one color, or you can make it with, you can do it with many colors. But if you if you don't want to finish with only 2, the single crochet here and then the row, the second row below, then chain how you say, chain odd number instead of even number. Chain odd number. Yeah, odd number. So yeah, this is the front and this is the back. So, well, if you like this and you have a lot of yarn and you want to make a present or a blanket or something like that for someone, you can do this. You can even do a infinity scarf, a rug, a purse, a bag, whatever you want to do. It's really nice, and if you like the colors, depends on what colors you like, I think it's gonna look really nice, this one. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.